The data acquired via the presented method may shed light on how to recognize pain intensities independently of the underlying pain model. It may also help to assess the pain duration. The main advantage of this technique is its multimodality in terms of signal recording and pain stimulation. It significantly broadens the scope of pain research.
This technique can be applied to monitor therapy process and pathology treatment for more efficient pain management.
The execution of the protocol requires many complex manual actions such as electrode application, which are faster and easier to learn through visual demonstration. Demonstrating the procedure will be Sandra Gebhardt, a student from my laboratory who is trained as an experimenter for this study.
To prepare for the procedure, welcome the arriving subject and lead her to the calibration room. Inform her in detail about the calibration procedure in the following pain stimulation. Next, conduct the pain stimulation in a camera-monitored, temperature-controlled, and low-noise experimental room next to the calibration monitoring room. Use appropriate recording computers, software, and recording devices for capturing physiological data, audio, videos, and thermal and electrical stimulator outputs during the experiment. Enter the values of the phasic electrical and heat pain intensities and the tonic electrical and heat intensities calculated based on the performed calibration in the thermal and electrical stimulator. Set the baseline temperature to 32 degrees Celsius and the temperature rate to 8 degrees Celsius per second, then save all settings. Subsequently, prepare the pain elicitation script as shown here.